Alright, so we went ahead and had to make a custom bracket for this risers. I cannot use, or you cannot use this relocation gauge bracket with KRAUS risers. You would need a custom bracket or something else. I don't know what it is, but I had to make my own. This is one made out of galvanized steel or whatnot. And I also went ahead and I made a block off plate too, out of plexiglass. So I'll be uploading that video soon, kind of show you guys how to do it. It works pretty good. So then I'm going to use this to kind of fill in that cavity, get it nice and flat, and then put all that pressure on here and not on the plexiglass. Right here, as you guys saw, I was really upset about what happened when I dropped my my gauges. Yeah, it's very upsetting. I mean, the whole thing could have been avoided if I had just gotten some help there, but I'm actually digging the placement of the gauges up here. I like it. I don't know what you guys think. I had to fabricate this piece, then I had to fabricate this. This was a lot easier than this. I don't have the tools to be drilling these holes and cutting and grinding and stuff like that. So it was, yeah, it's annoying that this took me a minute to fabricate. You know, if I had a drill press, or if I had a kind of like a belt sander, that would have been a lot easier, a whole lot easier. But I mean, if you guys know of any of a location that, you know, built these or can make a custom bracket. I mean, it's about 5/1/8 to 5 inches. It's not, you know, it's not a bracket that you need a lot of tools, but I mean, you need some fabricating tools, and none of which I have. So I don't know, I gotta clean these up a little bit. The damage down here, I was able to move this down to the bottom, so that way I don't really see it that much. This one's right here. I'll probably do the same, just move the ring down, so down over here, so I don't see it, because you can see it right there. I don't know, I mean, if you guys like them, or you guys have anything to say, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I think it's a little funny because of my Sportster, I had it up here and I relocated it down there. It's, you know, it's just one of those things that I guess everybody kind of does. You know, it just makes it a little bit different. I don't know, I mean, it's kind of funny. Let's just end it here. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, please. And there she is. Bummed out about the accident, but you know, shit happens, right? Later.